Yes, sir. Loud and clear po. Thank
Okay
you.
po. Thank you po. Pa-show na lang po ng checklist. Ayun po. I will be discussing po yung ating checklist for the private organization po. So, first criteria, yung corporate descriptors po natin. Kindly scroll down lang po. First is the profile. Ito po yung i-check po natin as a means of verifications. Yung ating 1.h, yung organizational chart and structure, number or list of executives and employees na nasa kanilang GIS, and then yung kanilang corporate profile. So nakalagay po dito is 1 point each. So meron po tayong total of 3. And then kindly scroll lang po ulit pababa. Second po natin sa ating criteria is yung compliance to existing laws. So ito po, medyo marami-rami po siya, pero ang scoring po natin dito ay 5 or 0. So dahil naman po sila ay mga businesses, dapat compliant sila sa ating mga batas. So if may isa lang po dito na applicable sa kanila tapos wala po sila, considered as 0 na po agad yun. So kailangan po complete compliance po sila sa ating mga documentary po na requirements. So, at makikita po natin dito yung business name registration, BIR, business permit, yung sa DOLE, yung sa, if applicable po sa kanila yung sa DNR na permit to operate, and then yung building code sa LGU. And NIPAS, ito po yung sa ating mga protected areas. So, ito po ay kinlassify lang po natin sa dalawa. So may pang MSME, sole proprietor, ang meaning po nito, isa lang po yung nagmamay-ari ng business. So pag large naman po, partnership or corporation, ang pinagkaiba lang po nito ay sa SEC po siya nire-register, kaya meron po silang certificate of incorporation. So yun po yung pagkakaiba ng ating private organization. So ang scoring po natin kanina na sinabi ko is 5 or 0 lang po. So scroll down po ulit. Number 3, mission, vision, and goals, statement of the company. So ito lang po yung kailangan nating hanapin is yung mission, vision, and goals, statement or policy vis-a-vis DRRM CCA. So related po sila dapat sa DRRM CCA. So 2 points po ang ating point system dyan. So second, indicators po natin yung sa DRRM. First, prevention and mitigation risk assessment. So scroll down lang po ulit. 1.1, comprehensive risk assessment, risk exposure and vulnerability of assets and processes. So ito po ay related po sa ating BCP. So dapat po naka-incorporate po siya. So first is the risk assessment. Risk assessment impact tool result incorporated in the approved business continuity plan or any related plans or documents. So 3 points po siya. Ito pong isa ay same lang po pero draft naman po. So 2 points. So ang pinagkaiba lang po niya, first is approved, signed, yun po yung ating MOV. And then yung second is yung draft. So 3 points approved, 2 points sa draft. Then 1.2, CSR. Corporate social responsibility policies and program are risk sensitive. So meron po tayong total of 5 points dito. Company CSR policy, 2 points. Summary of CSR projects with photo documentations, 2 points. And memorandum of agreement, understanding of partnership, 1 point. So total of 5 points. 1.3, transparency of company's risk information. So 3 points pag meron po silang kahit ano po rito. Written communication or coordination to LGUs, IEC materials, quad media advisories, written advisories, risk plan or equivalent. So any po, basta meron po sila nito na yun nga po, yung transparency to dun sa company's risk information, meron po silang 3 points. And then 1.4, integration of DRR CCA into their business model. So 3 points, 3 points, yeah. Programs, activities, projects, or approved business continuity plan. So mapapansin nyo po yung approved BCP. So pag meron po sila niyan, marami pong ma-cover yung approved BCP na sa ating mga MOVs. So 3 points po itong MOVs na ito. And then 1.5, financial investments and accounting decisions are risk sensitive. So 2 points for the financial statements and 1 point for the investment plan. So kung meron po sila parehas, total of 3 points. 1.6, investment in risk financing or risk transfer. Investment plan, 1 point. Insurance plan, human resource, 0.5. Assets, 0.5. Equipment, 0.5. Building, 0.5. So total of 3 points. Noted po, Sir Dexter. I-note po natin yan. Noted po yung concern po. Thank you. And then, nasa na po ba tayo? Sorry. 1.7. Supply chain resiliency in their business model. Total of 2 points for this. MOBs po natin, inventory and procurement plan. Or approved business continuity plan. Yan na naman po yung approved BCP natin. So, total of 2 points. 1.8, sustainable business practice. Isa lang po yung ating MOVs dito. So, nakalagay po 1 point per policy, maximum of 2 points. So, kung ilan po yung meron silang business practice. O yan, policies on energy saving, paperless practice, proper waste segregation, etc. So, kailangan po meron photo documentation ng kanilang mga sustainable practices. So, maximum of 2 points lang po tayo. And then, second po natin is yung preparedness. Meron po total of 23 points dito sa preparedness na to. 2.1, DRR-related plans. So, ito na po yung ating contingency plan, business continuity plan, early recovery plan, and evacuation plan. So, meron po tayong total of 7. Kung meron po silang BCP, 2 points. Evacuation plan, 1 point. ERP, 1 point. Damage control and loss reduction, SOP, 1 point. Contingency plan, 1 point. Hazard and risk assessment control measures, 1 point. So, total of 7 points. 2.2, Occupational Safety and Health Standards Program. So, ito po, tag-isa po. OSH Certificate, OSH Program. So, kung meron po sila netong dalawa, 2 points. Ayan po. 2.3, EWS po natin, Early Warning System. Company policy regarding EWS, 0.5. EWS Monitoring Report, 0.5. Inventory of Equipment and Facilities, 0.5. Photo documentations ng EWS nila, 0.5. So, total of 2 points. 2.4, institutional setup for emergency and crisis management. Ito po yung sa ating EOC. So, total of 3 points. Ang MOVs natin ay identified EOC or temporary dedicated or temporary EOC, 1 point. Emergency response team, 1 point. EOC manual of operations or SOP. So, tagi-isang points po siya. Total of 3 points. 2.5 na po tayo. Partnership or operational arrangements. Example natin yung member of DRRM Council. So, any of this, meron na pong 2 points. So, meron siyang MOU, MOA, signed and notarized. Executive Order Resolution, approved. So, meaning po, approved na ito. Kumbaga, pirmado po siya, signed siya. So, total of 2, any of this po. 2.6, capacity building, activities, equipment, facilities. So, total of 5 points. Ito po ang ating MOVs. Certificate of trainings. After activity report of training drills, 1 point. Attendance sheets, 1 point. Inventory of equipment and facilities, 1 point. Photo documentation, 1 point. So, total of 5. 2.7, business continuity. Ito po yung katulad po sinabi ko kanina kung meron silang approved or drafted. So, meron po dito, pag approved, 2 points, drafted, 1 point. So, yan po yung sa ating 2.7. And then number 3, response. 3.1, activation of SOPs. Kung meron po silang presence ng response plan with standard operating procedures, may 5 point po sila. 3.2, effective coordination and efficient emergency management response and operations. So, ito po, ang pinag-aiba niya, kung may disaster or may incident, kung meron siyang implementation plan, 2 points. Incident report, 2 points. Situational report, 2 points. Photo documentation, 2 points, total of 8. Pag wala naman po, wala na pang disaster or incident, pag meron lang siyang implementation plan and PAPs, may 8 points po siya. So, 3.3, monitoring and reporting system. Ayan. Ito po, may 2 points po tayo dito kung meron siyang established monitoring system or program such as, but not limited to, situational report, logbook, incident monitoring procedure, etc. Kung meron po siyang system, meron po siyang 2 points. And then 3.4, support to community operations or volunteer works. So ito po kung meron siyang after activity report or photo documentation, meron siyang total of 3 points. And then doon na po tayo sa number 4, recovery and rehabilitation, build back better. 4.1, early restoration of business operations. Ganun po ulit, may dalawa po tayong MOVs. Approved business, ito naman po yung BCP natin, pag walang incident or disaster, 5 points. Pag meron naman po, incident report, to check if recovery time objectives achieved based dun sa ating approved BCP. Tapos may photo documentation po siya, 5 points po yun. 4.2, commitment and responsibility to community recovery and rehabilitation plan, including reporting of damage and loss data. So ito po, meron tayong total of 5 points. Kung meron siyang programs, activities, and projects, 0.5. Meron siyang MOA or MOU, 0.5. Reports of damage and loss, 2 points. Meron siyang CTREP, after activity report and photo documentation, 1 point. Monitoring and evaluation report, 1 point. So kung meron po siya lahat nito, 5 points po. And then 4.3, support to rehabilitation program of host community, including transparency of support. So 5 points din po dito kung meron silang programs, activities, and projects, 1 point. Meron po ulit na MOA or MOU, 1 point. Meron pong CTREP, 1 point. Meron pong after activity report, 1 point, and then photo documentation, so 1 point, total of 5. And then 4.4, backup plan for displaced employee and welfare services of affected employees. So ganun po ulit, may dalawa po siya. Merong without the incident or disaster, may backup plan for displaced employee and welfare services of affected employees incorporated dun sa approved or draft BCP. So may 3 points po siya. Company policy, 2 points. Pag may incident naman or disaster, meron siyang backup plan. Same po doon sa nakalagay sa BCP, 2 points. Company policy, 2 points. And meron siyang documentation of assistance provided to employees. So 1 point. So yun po yung pagkakaiba pag may incident at pag wala. So punta na po tayo sa ating criteria 3. So awards and recognition. Ito po, isa lang po siya. Recognition, citation, and awards in the field of volunteerism, DRRM, and CSR. So kung meron po siyang certificate of recognitions, appreciation, citation, and awards in the field of volunteerism, DRRM, and CSR, local man yan, national or international, basta maximum of 3 points lang po tayo. So pag nakalagpas na siya 3, hanggang 3 points lang po siya. So yun po yung sa ating criteria 3. So total of 100 points. Ayun po. Any questions po or concerns na pwede pong i-raise sa ating checklist? Kindly chat na lang po sa ating chat box. Thank you po.
Up next po will be Ms. Shireen Hombre Bueno.